we set up a high-speed camera to see what the BugOUT Lantern does
in slow motion.
We've been out here filming for just a few minutes now, and we've already gotten a few zaps. But they've all been on the far side of the zapper, so we haven't gotten a good shot. You can't see them, but you can hear them. There's a little, oh, there was one. There's a little pop, and then you'll see a plume of smoke rise up from where the bug got zapped. So we're gonna wait a few more minutes, and we're gonna see if we can get a good shot on the front side of the BugOUT Lantern. Oh, that was a good one. Let's take a look at that in slow motion. That zap was far bigger than I expected. You see that flash of light, and then the smoke plume travels all the way to the outside edge of the frame. That is really impressive.
Click to subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.